Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the chorus choreography from Backstreet Boys, Everybody, parentheses, Backstreet's Back. This dance was choreographed by the one and only Fatima Robinson. This is just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition. When you're ready to practice this with music, you're not going to find it in this video. This is the tutorial only. When you want to see it with music though, there is another video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So just go click that other video when you're ready to practice this with music. All right, let's dance. Here we go. We're learning the most iconic part of this choreography. It's the first 4/8 counts of the chorus. Here we go. So our first 8 count, we're gonna just jump both feet to the right and then to the left. You can kind of think like you have a rope or something on the ground and you're jumping over it, side to side. Jumping was more fun in the 90s for me. Okay, so your arms are just gonna go the opposite way. So as you jump to the right, they're gonna lift up to the left. As you jump to the left, they're gonna lift up to the right. This is not too precise. You're just throwing them or lifting them side to side. So it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, jump side to side. Right, left, and then you're gonna jump your feet apart. On 3, on 4, I'm gonna hinge that right knee in. So that's gonna be 2 separate moves. 3, 4. Yeah, so we're gonna jump right, left, out, knee. Try it. 5, 6, we're jumping right and left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, you're gonna take this right shoulder and we're gonna pull it back, down, back, down. So we're accenting that down part right there, but you have to pull it back so that you have somewhere to go. So that's gonna be, this was 4, you're gonna pull it back on and 5 and 6. Yeah, and you can even kind of hold your arm out here to even exaggerate it more if that feels good to you. So we jumped out 3, we inverted our knee 4, and then we're gonna pull the shoulder back and 5 and 6. So we're jumping right, left, out, knee, and shoulder, and shoulder. On and 7, you're gonna take this right leg and go and 7, and then you're gonna step together 8. So right foot's gonna come to your left, right, left, and then you're just rebounding your feet back together. Yeah, so this was 5, 6, and 7, 8. Again, right foot's inverted. You're taking that right shoulder, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yeah. This first 8 count is the cardio section. Here we go. We're gonna jump right, left. 5, 6, jump right and left. This is 1, 2, out, 3, knee, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, we're gonna do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, jump to your right. This is 1, 2, out, 3, knee, 4, shoulder, 5, 6, right, left, together. Yeah, fantastic. You're doing an awesome job. That was our first 8 count. We're gonna go on to our second, but if you're not ready, this is recorded, so you can pause it and practice it as many times as you need to at any point in the tutorial, and then jump back in when you're ready. You're ready. Are you ready? If you're ready, our second 8 count. So we just did that left foot came back together. Just your footwork, you're gonna step right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So this is this part, and we'll add the arms in a second. So basically you have 2 options here. You can kind of just rock side to side, right, left, but then you're gonna pick your feet up, right, left, right, and then you're gonna lead that to the left. Left, right, left, right, left. Or you can actually step with it. Step, 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 step. So whatever really feels good to you there. It's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Your hands, we have these like monster claw things, flexing your wrists, and they're gonna go this swing. So pretend like your elbows are stapled, I don't know, glued into your side, and it's just from your forearm down that's moving. So we're gonna swing them to the right, to the left, and then they're gonna circle when we go right, left, right. They're making a big circle. So they're swinging, your momentum went to the right, went to the left, and that momentum's gonna keep going the same way, make a complete circle, and then finish to the right. So when you put it together, you wanna bend your knees, we're gonna go right, left, right, left, right. Then when you go back the other way, you're going left, right, left, right, left. So this time your momentum goes to the left, it swings to the right, and then it swings to the left and keeps going around in that circle. Yes, you got it. If you're moving, you're doing it right. So again, we go left, right, left, right, left. Yeah. This is pretty popular for like Halloween season, right? So the creepier you can make it look, the better. So we're gonna go 2 together. We just did and 7, 8. You're gonna step to your right. 1, 2, circle. 3 and 4, step left or rock, rock, circle to your left. Yeah, try it again. 5, 6, you gotta step out to your right on 1, 2, circle. 3 and 4, 5, 6, circle. 7 and 8. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, step to your right. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, fantastic. Let's put our first 2 8 counts together. We don't want to forget that first 8 count, right? Gotta hold on to it. So here's your preview. We're gonna jump right, left, out, knee, pull, push, right, left. Together, then you have to step out with your right as you rock to the right, and then step to your left, and then circle to your left. Yeah, I'll count you and we'll go a little bit faster. We're gonna jump to the right, arms are gonna swing to the left though. 5, 6, jump to your right. This is 1, 2, out, 3, knee, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Rock to your right, circle to the right, rock to your left, circle to the left. Yeah, excellent job. We're already halfway done. Let's keep going. Our third 8 count. We just went left, right, left, right, left. You're gonna keep your momentum going to the left, and you're gonna take that right foot behind, and your fingers are gonna point to the left over here. So you're going 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. You just keep it going so it's circled, and then you just turn it into pointing fingers and touch that right foot back. And you can look that way too if you like to look about. So that's gonna be on 1, 1. On 2, you're gonna flex this right foot and straighten the leg as you pull it around to this front corner. So it was crossed behind, it's gonna flex, and then it's gonna step in front of the left. So this was 1, 2, you're gonna go 3 and 4. So we're going right, left, right. It's a little rock, step, step. Again, 3 and 4, but it's fast. 3 and 4. Right, left, right. A step, step, step. Yeah, so this was 1. You're gonna flex this foot around, and you can kind of circle your body with this if you want to. 2, 3, and 4. Yes, again. So we're gonna point on 1. 1, circle, 2, rock, 3 and 4. Again, 5, 6, right foot goes back on 1, circle, 2. This is right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, right foot goes back on 1, 2, 3, and 4 from here. This is like the iconic, this part. You're gonna go 5. So we're gonna take your hands and we're doing this motion. So it's like before where we were swinging them, but they're just out in front, and it's gonna be about flicking the wrist up and down. So on the count of 5, we stepped out on 4. You're gonna go 5, and we're gonna sit into our legs, bend those knees, and you're gonna flip your wrist over on 5. And then on 6, you're gonna push your body over to the right and your hands over to the left. So this is gonna be 5, 6. Again, sit into those legs, sit, lean. Then you're gonna pop the wrists again. And what I like to do is pop my knees too. So I'm lifting my heels and putting them down. You do not have to do this. You can just do the wrists. But you're gonna pop and then you're gonna switch to the other side. So we did down, right, pop, left. Yes, and those hands are again. So we're gonna go 5, 6, pop, 7, 8, you're gonna pop again, 1, 2. So we're just going back and forth. This is down, right, pop, left, pop, right. You're gonna do one more pop, and then we're gonna go left, right, and cross our hands over. Don't worry, we're gonna do it again. So it's 5, lean, 6, 7, lean, 8, 1, lean, 2, 3, and instead of leaning, you're gonna ball change or step cross, and 4, left, right. So you're doing 3 leans total, and then on the 4th one, you do the step cross. We'll do it again. So you're gonna flick your wrists on 5. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, flick your wrist and sit, 5, lean, 6, pop, 7, lean, 8, pop, 1, lean, 2, pop, 3, and 4. Yeah, notice how we bled into our 4th 8 count, but that's okay. Again, we're gonna sit on 5. 5, 6, no, 1, 2, 3, sit on 5. This is 5, lean right, 6, pop, 7, lean, 8, pop, 1, lean, 2, pop, 3, left, right. Yeah, one more time, sitting on 5. 1, 2, 3, we sit on 5, lean, 6, pop, 7, lean, 8, pop, 1, lean, 2, one more, left, right, and pull those arms to the right. Yeah, fantastic. So that was really our 3rd 8 count and half of our 4th 8 count. So the first part of our 3rd 8 count, we finished left, right, left, right, left. Momentum keeps going. You point, 1. You circle the right foot, 2. You ball change or rock step, 3 and 4. Bring those feet a little wider. And then you sit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2. Here's that step, left, right. Yeah. Try all that. I'll count you in. We're going to point on 1 to the left. Super duper slow. 5, 6, point to your left on 1. Circle 2. Right, left, right. 3 and 4. Sit and flick. 5. Lean 6. Flick 7. Lean 8. Flick 1. Lean 2. Flick 3 and 4. Yeah, one more time, a little bit faster, and then we're going to finish it out. So starting with that point. 5, 6, point to the left on 1, 2, right, left, right, sit, 5, lean 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, let's finish it out. Your right foot's in front of your left. You're going to unwind. So we're going to spin all the way around, and then your left foot's going to end up in the front, like magic. So we have, if you try to go to the right, your feet won't let you. So you have to go to the left. You're just going to unwind yourself nice and slow. You have 5, 6, 7, and on and 8, I'm going to step out and fist with my hand and elbow folded in, and then on 8, I'm going to point up and look up at the ceiling. This is not the actual choreography with the point. They unwind and then they just keep performing, or there's other choreography, but we're gonna stop there. And so this is my traditional boy band pose. You can do whatever you want there, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cross and 4. You have 5, 6, 7 to unwind. 5, 6, 7, I'm gonna step out and 8 and point up nice and strong. Backstreet's back, all right. That'll be on all right. Yeah? Or you could go, all right. All right. Whatever your best boy band pose is to finish it out there. Choose your adventure. Okay, so let's talk about it again. So we did, this was 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, one more. 3 and 4. Unwind. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. And you're done. Yeah. Okay, let's put our last 2 8 counts together, 3 and 4. So we're gonna start pointing and looking to the left. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, point to the left on 1. Circle 2, step right, left, right. 3 and 4, sit and flick. 5, lean right, 6, flick, 7, 8. 1, 2, one more. 3 and 4, unwind. 5, 6, 7, all right. Yeah, excellent job. We're gonna go all the way back to the top. We're gonna put all 4 8 counts together, ridiculously slow just for our brains and our memories to see how it all fits together before we start to speed it up a little. So as a reminder, we're gonna jump to the right, jump to the left. Jumping slow is fun. Jumping at all is fun. Here we go. 5, 6, jump to your right on 1, left 2, out, 3, knee bends, 4, shoulder, 5, 6, right, left, and 7, together, 8. We step right, 1, 2, circle to the right, 3, and 4, step left, 5, 6, circle left, 7, your momentum keeps going when we point, 1, circle 2, step right, left, right, 3, and 4, sit and flick, 5, lean right, 6, 7, switch, 8, 1, switch, 2, one more, 3 and 4, unwind, 5, 6, 7, in, up. Yeah, excellent job. All right, let's go up a little faster. If you're not ready, that's okay, go back, watch it at that slower tempo as many times as you need to. When you're ready to go a little faster, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, jump right and left. You got it. 1, 2, out, 3, knee, 4, shoulder. 5, 6, and 7, step right. 1, 2, circle, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Keep your momentum going. Point. 1, 2, right, left, right. Down. 6, 7, switch, 8. 1, 2, 3, left, right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, amazing job. We're gonna do it one more time here together, a little closer to the tempo of the music. Are you ready? I think you're ready. I'm proud of you for standing up, for moving. Even if you're just watching, still proud of you, because being a human's hard, man. Oh my gosh. And I appreciate you being here, no matter in what capacity. All right, we're gonna jump. 1, 2, let's go. Everybody. Yeah, here we go, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, jump right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, 5, 6, and 7, then we step right. 1, 2, circle, left, 5, 6, 7, point, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, lean, 6, 7, switch, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fantastic job. And that was our tutorial. I had so much fun dancing with you. Thank you for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to try this with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I hope that you will be kind to yourself as well as kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.